So, you want a quick way to safely clean your camera lenses and screens. But what if you could instantly clean any kind of glass or device? Do so safely, and have it with you always, keeping you constantly prepared for any job.
Hey, it's Kerry here with KUVRD. Over the last few years, we've been designing camera accessories and launching them on Kickstarter. And we're back, and excited to announce our newest product. Say hello to WaterBear, KUVRD's universal glass cleaners. I've got some questions for you. Throughout your day, do you struggle keeping your electronics and devices clean? Are your camera lenses, phones, and tablets covered in fingerprints, smudges, and smears, blurring the shot and wasting time? And when attempting to wipe them off, do you worry about safely cleaning them without scratching? Ugh, like nails on a chalkboard. The thing is, this was a big enough problem that we came up with a solution. One that not only effectively works and safely cleans all kinds of screens and lenses, but one you could have with you whenever needed. WaterBear, known as a tardigrade, is the smallest animal of its kind. It can live in any environment, eats microscopic clutter, and is just outright adorable. Our product takes inspiration from tardigrades. These hungry boys are teeny tiny, can stick to any surface, live in any environment, and are engineered to clean. How? Well, like this.
I mean, not much more to it.
Simply peel it off, wipe away the grime, and stick back in place for future use. These little screen cleaners are easy to use and safe to use. Plus, they're washable and reusable. When the stickiness begins to wear off, simply rinse them off with water and air dry to restore its sticky texture and cleaning power. Eventually, when it stops sticking for good, simply replace it with one of the other 5. Folks, when backing this campaign, you're supporting the idea of owning a convenient product that helps speed up your workflow and care for your lenses and screens in the best possible way. WaterBear will stick to any surface without leaving residue and instantly clean your glass without scratching. He's quicker to access, safer for cleaning, easy to use, and washable and reusable, making him the perfect sidekick for all your adventures. So back us today. Bring this little fella to life, knowing that with us and WaterBear, you're covered.
This little guy will stick to any surface. Really, any surface. Any surface. Any surface. Look at that. Any surface.